Total amplifier frequency response. Figure B shows a generalized ideal response curve, Bode plot, for the BJT amplifier shown in Figure A. The three breakpoints at the lower critical frequencies, FC1, FC2, and FC3, are produced by the three low-frequency RC circuits formed by the coupling and bypass capacitors. The breakpoints at the upper critical frequencies, FC4 and FC5, are produced by the two high-frequency RC circuit formed by the transistor's internal capacitances. ET 212 Electronics, Amplifier Frequency Response Floyd 31.